Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you exactly how to enable dark mode on your Facebook account. So let's go ahead and get started right into the video. First thing you want to do is open up the Facebook app. Once you've done this, you want to go to your profile in the bottom right corner by clicking the three little lines. From here, there's two ways to get to your settings. You can either click the gear icon in the top right, or you can scroll down, click Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. Once you're at the settings page, you want to scroll down to where you can see all the preferences. You'll see at the very bottom of this, you'll see dark mode. You want to go ahead and click that. From here, there's going to be three different options. You can either have it on, have it off, or there's a system option where it'll adjust the appearance based on your device's system settings. That's how you turn it on. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video.